Organic coconut plantations in the Mekong Delta of Vietnam are known to grow the highest quality coconut in the world. CocoGoods has developed a branded product line to deliver the highest quality grown and processed organic coconut water to many countries and markets around the world. CocoGoods strives to deliver the most robust and highest quality organic coconut water in the world. All raw material inputs must select and classified according to global and US FDA standards. The high-quality coconut will be selected, fiber shell removed, and transported to the production line for coconut water collection. The factory and factory workers must adhere and comply to the highest international standards for hygiene and plant worker cleanliness. The coconut water is collected through a drilling extraction process, with the water immediately entering a filtration system and then quickly transferred to material receiving storage tanks. Next, the coconut water is pumped from the material storage tanks into cooling system at 4 Celsius degrees or 39 Fahrenheit degrees, and then through an oil separator to extract the highest quality pure coconut-based water product. Once the purification process is complete, the coconut water is then piped to an insulated industrial storage tank. The flavored coconut water is sent to a mixing process using the finest fresh fruits extracts just before being piped to the insulated industrial flavored storage tanks. The final stages of coconut water production involve a cooling process at the temperature of 8 to 10 Celsius degrees or 45 to 50 Fahrenheit degrees in preparation for an integrated UHT pasteurization process. The water is then filled into an aseptic tank that supports an aseptic filling process performed under strict aseptic processing requirements. Once the product has been filled into aseptic containers, there is an automatic packaging process that is equipped with preset parameters and standardized, so that it will only operate when all safety conditions are in compliance. The entire process is monitored and checked by the QC department in order to guarantee the highest quality manufactured products. Damaged or defective factory packed product will be removed by automated sensor systems. The organic coconut water process continues to the final stage of aseptic box capping, master packing, and storage for shipment. A final inspection is performed by the laboratory team before shipment. Along with organic coconut water, CocoGoods has other variations: natural coconut water with passion fruit, coconut water with pineapple to supply for client requirements. CocoGoods stands behind all its products, guaranteeing the highest quality. CocoGoods, it's all good.